I lost 180 pounds. Let's start living life. This is life after weight loss. I'm going to show you where we're at with the food situation. I'm about to eat, and I'm going to pull these 2 burgers out now. Still have this bag of veggies, and there's my burgers, and that's some bacon, chopped bacon. Hang on, I got to sit down. Okay, so these ketchups were from my thing last night. I just threw them in there in case I decide I want to use them for something. But I'm going to pull these veggies out because we're going to eat them. And then those 2 burgers. I have 2 waters. I'm going to move this down. Yeah, I'll show you that. So there's my carrots. I could probably put those carrots together with the other carrots. And there's 3 different cheeses and some bacon, some carrots, and some rutabaga. I'm not eating the rutabaga until we are done playing, because y'all, last thing I need is the toots. So my ranch, I'll show you what I did with that here in just a second. So that's, come on fella, ranch. Then I still have 2 water bottles, and yeah, I paid too much for them, but that's all right. Wait, that can't go there. Okay, so this is my ranch. I went ahead and squirted some in here to dip my veggies in. And hang on, let me put some of this back just a second. I told you all that I bought that can of, it's called Crema Light. It's a light cream, and it was a can. So I opened it up and I poured it into there, and then I added water to rinse it out. So I'm keeping my cream down in there. So let's move over here to eat. So if I could tell packing Terri a couple things, I would say, great job bringing the knife. This has been a huge help. So definitely do that again. Oh, I need my water. Definitely do that again. Cheeses were fun and good, but don't bring hunks of cheese. Take the step, go to Aldi and get the cheese that's like individually packaged. So that's what I would say. So this, the individual cheese, and bring paper plates. That's what I would tell Terri, because right now you're eating off of Ziploc bags, and that's not really conducive for eating. I'd also bring a few more forks, plastic forks. But yeah, I think that would be pretty much all the extra things that I would say to bring. So let me just show you my spread here. Just a second. Give me just a second. So, it is 9:15. And, oh, dang it. And so we play again at 2 o'clock. I'm really proud of our team, man. You know, we are doing so well. With just being 4 of us, we're doing so well. And it's so fun, and I'm so proud of our team for coming, you know, showing up and doing our best, you know. I think I'm really proud of us. So hang on just a second here. I also have these sun-dried tomatoes. I brought these. I'm looking at the Conrad over there. I don't know what kind of building it is. You know, there's so many buildings, and it's like, I wonder what things are. So, I know, I could Google it, but those of you who live here, what's the red building that says Conrad on it? That one out there. What is that? Anybody know? Anyone? Bueller. Okay, so there's that. I am going to set out some bacon pieces. I'm going. I got too much cheese. I need to put some of it away. Hang on. I wonder if the hotel has paper plates. I mean, I'm doing fine. I don't need them. I just would wonder. Anyway, so yeah. So today is Wednesday. We play at 2 o'clock. That's when our team plays. And like I said, I'm very proud of us. Each team plays 5 people. And there's a point system. I don't understand how it all works. I just know there's a point system. So, in theory, the 4 of us could win. So we took a shot and decided we'd come and see how it goes, you know. So I'm going to use some of this ketchup. I know it ain't sugar-free. Mind your P's and Q's. Listen, me, I'm being all sassy. This is Terri in Vegas. She's like all hoity-toity, ain't she? Nothing but trouble. Anyway, but yeah, so 4 of us came because 3 of them couldn't. And that's okay. You know, we came in and we're doing our best and it's fun. It's been fun. So I'm okay, burger patty with some ketchup. Paper plate. Cheese, bacon, and sun-dried tomatoes. Veggies and ranch dip. I did last night this. Do that. So I've been keeping tabs of how much I spent here, like for this trip. Now, I have $300 in cash, and I haven't spent it, but I have it included in this amount. So I've so far, like with my hotel at St. Louis, and I didn't include the flights, but because this was like spending money for getting here. So to check a bag was $45. Hey, I could hang on. Where's my iPad? Hang on. Okay, so this is how it is. So the hotel in St. Louis, I'm pulling this out of the $1,500 because anyway. So it's $225 for the hotel in St. Louis by the airport and for leaving my car there. So that was $225. I have $300 in cash that I brought. $45 for the taxi to get from the airport to here. Now that's with tip. I put that in there. My breakfast at Sid's was $27. The steak and eggs at Sid's was $47. The monorail, when you get a ticket ticket, you're going, the $6 ticket is to leave this spot. Then when you get somewhere and you want to come back, you have to get another ticket to come back. So you're better off. I mean, you can get like day passes and stuff, or like a week pass. I haven't decided what I'm going to do because today's Wednesday and I leave Sunday. So the monorail was $12. My nuts was $6. I got a new glove. I don't want to use it yet because I'm not changing up anything about how I'm playing because I don't want to mess myself up. But I got me a pink glove. So this is a shooting glove. It's supposed to make the ball slide between better. So I got a shooting glove. And then, for my carry-on, the basic fee is $45. So, yeah. So it's a total of $739 so far. So like I said, I'm just keeping kind of a rolling total just because it's kind of fun for me to know. You know, I've never taken a vacation or done anything like this. So it's kind of interesting for me. You know, it's kind of like I like collecting data on the scale. I like this too. So instead of spending $27 for breakfast, which it was delicious, it was worth it. I have no problems with that. You know, I mean, I'm in a big city. I'm in a hotel. Of course, it's going to be $27. But anyway, Anyway, all that to say, that's why I'm going to go ahead and eat this right now, and I'll see you later. It's 11:20, and I thought, well, I'm going to do a little exploring. Look at me right there. You see, I got my drinks, my back, my pool stick, and my fanny pack. This right here is the sports betting, I think, maybe. Hang on, I got to focus on these steps. I don't break my neck. But they have sports betting is up here, and the food court is up here. But everywhere you go, there's still places to gamble. It is amazing. Now, please know, we have a casino where I live, in the town I live in. But it's not like this serious. This is amazing. So there's even nobody's playing poker. Oh, but somebody's playing something over here. Maybe they're eating. This is where the food court is. I'm trying not to show the TVs just in case they get, I don't know what you can show and not show. But they have a food court. There's pizza and all kinds of stuff here. I haven't really looked at the menu because it looked like it was all bar food and fast food. Hey, there's an outdoor exit. That's 24. Or that's funny. I just read 24/7 betting steps. So looks like they have pizza menu. I don't know if that's all they have or if that's just part of it. Yeah, it's pizza. So I'm guessing, and I've seen people with like burgers and fries. So these people are doing something over here. So yeah, I do see other stuff up there, but we're not gonna. I've already eaten, so that's not what I'm here for. So they're messaging the team to see where everybody's at. So I am going to get back with you. Here's the Barry Manilow shop. They say that he has his own permanent place here. Priscilla Presley is coming on something. A 70 live concert. The 3 Dog Night. Let's see who else they're showing. Show tickets. So look, there's Barry Manilow. He's saying, hey Terri. Hey Terri-LL. Terri Leist. The legend returns. This is the Benihana. It's a sushi bar. I don't dislike sushi, but I sure couldn't fill up on sushi. All you can eat sushi though for $43.88. I mean, I'd eat it by George. Wagyu beef. You can get a 6-course meal. Oh, dang it, it's moving too fast. But anyway, so yeah, this is the Benihana Riki Tiki Sushi, Silk Road Asian Bistro. So, but further back in here is where I play at. So, what I want to do, like I said, tomorrow my plan is to kind of slowly go through all of the, like the oh my gosh, what them thing, all the vendors, because I'd like to get a, oh my gosh, that fell and broke my neck. I want to get a couple shirts. I'd like to look and find a brake stick. And I don't know what else. But they have plenty of food around here. But what I'll do is we'll have like a long tour, but not today. Right now I'm just wandering around, so until the team shows up. So just know that there'll be more to come. There's some games going on. They have a table out here. I think people can kind of test out the cues if they want to buy one or something. Got more vendors down there. And there's like 3 rooms of pool tables. So there's no smoking allowed around the pool tables, no smoking or vaping. So folks go outside to do it. No vaping. So I'm going to just go in here and find a table to sit at for a little bit. Okay, so here's my plan, y'all. First off, I want to eat something. What do I have? I got some bacon. Y'all know I'm just going to keep eating my food. Where'd the veggies go? Oh, shoot, a monkey. Where'd they go? Oh, over here. So I've got some bacon, some veggies, some of my ranch. Oh, I'll move it. Hold on. Yep, I got my shoes on and I'm laying in bed. But they're hanging off the bed. And then I'll have my burger. Got my burger right here. Y'all. You all. Let me tell you what happened. I only have an hour and 30 minutes. Less than that. About an hour. So I gotta hurry. Even less than that. We got to the table. One of the guys played and won. Another guy played, one of our other players, and he lost. They had a pretty weird day, so he was pretty stressed out. They almost got their car taken. They had parked in a tow-away zone. So anyway, so their worlds were a little bit discombobulated. I played. She was a rank level 3. Now, she did say that she just went up. Because she won 3 games in a row. We all think that, you know. But anyway, so I was behind. Not doing good at all. She ran a whole rack. And then some. And finally I got my first ball in. I was like, thank you, Jesus. I mean, I was shooting, but nothing was going in. And shoot, go a different. Shoot and go another way. I was like Lazarus. I came back from the dead. I know that's probably totes inappropriate, but I come back and I won. I can say I won a match in Las Vegas. I'm so stinking proud and so stinking excited, and I'm just all the things. I'm pretty wound up. Like I said, we play again at 7, and it's 5:25. So I'm gonna shovel a few bites in. Because playing at 7, we run about 3 to 4 hours. So, which is like our usual time during the week. So we'll be done by 11, 12 o'clock. Oh, my refrigerator, I have it up too high, too cold. My carrots are almost frozen. Okay. I got to get a move on. So, food. 2 burgers, some bacon, some veggies, and ranch. Vegas. I won. I'm so excited, you guys. What I've decided I'm going to do, so you can watch it. The first one I've already got up. The second one, I had to do a voiceover of the first one. And so this one, I just stood up the tripod and recorded the whole thing, so I didn't have to worry or go back and forth. So I'm not going to be doing all the work. I'm just gonna put it on silent so I don't get a copy strike. And I might talk in the beginning of it, but then after that, you're just gonna have to put your own music on your television or something, because I'm in Vegas, baby. I ain't got time to be. Y'all know I quit editing anyway. So I'm sure not gonna. I know I'm being very rude right now. I do know that. But I'm in a hurry. So I'm sure not gonna talk for 20, 30 minutes, however long that game was. You can just watch it if you want to, or not. I love you guys. Yeah, that's all I know. Bye.